welcome back to another brand new video. It's me Abhyam and today I'm going to show you how to do animations in Google Slides. So open your Perfect browser and then go to this little dot 4 by 3 square and scroll down. You'll find your slides. Click on it and here we go. There are some presentations made by another. You can use it on your own presentation. I will open a blank sheet. So it is just look like an PowerPoint presentation. I'm also going to teach you it in PowerPoint doc. And now you can select these themes if you want, but we are doing animations, no need of this. And now select a blank sheet from here and delete your first slide by clicking delete on your keypad or just clicking on it and pressing delete. And now you have to just select a background photo for it, and here go ahead to choose image. You can upload it from your computer by just clicking here browse, or you can just simply search it on Google. Let's say a sea, underwater ocean, something like that. So now whatever picture you like, you can select that. I think I should end this here. Now as you can see, it is added here. Now you have to just simply go to here, this insert image, and click here search the web. And for example, let's take a fish, and after fish you have to write this PNG transparent, so it will not show any background behind the fish. So let me select the fish here. Let's insert this. As you can see, there's no background behind this fish. That's the benefit of writing PNG transparent. Now add it anywhere in your animation and go again, search the web, and another fish. And let's select this fish now. It will flow over here. And now select and again go to here and let's select a shot. So here we go, shot. Let's select this. It looks like realistic. You can insert it right now, and here it is inserted. Make it on a certain size. Shots are big, really big. So now duplicate this slide by right clicking down here and select duplicate slide. And as you can see, it is duplicated the first slide. And let's move the shark a little bit. And now duplicate this slide here by right clicking it again. And now make it look like that it is eating this small fish. Just delete it. And here. And duplicate the slide again. This fish right here, start moving right here, and duplicate. Oh, wait a second, just duplicate the third slide. My bad, sorry. Now you have to just move it here and you will like front of the shark, duplicate this side here, and then duplicate again this one, and now delete this and make it. Now as you can see, I've made a 6 slide. Now you have to just click your present, or you can add click Command plus Enter in your Mac, or Control plus Enter in your Windows. Click here this button to play. As you can see, our slide is created and it's looking like perfect. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share with your friends. And for that time, bye guys.